Uh, Welcome back. Right now I'm at Velo Route 10. It's a special path only for cycles and people who walk and for the people who do skating. And here we have a graffiti wall, my favorite if I have to say. Looks like this. There's a lot of graffiti. There are so many artists. They come and do graffiti on these walls. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. లైక్ ఒక ఫీల్ ఇస్తుంది వెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ విత్ సైకిల్ ఇన్ దిస్ రోడ్ ఆర్ ఎప్పుడైనా వాక్ వచ్చినా బాగుంటుంది. యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ దిస్ పాత్ హ్యాస్ ఎ స్పెషల్ నేమ్. పేరు ఏంటంటే వెలో రూట్ 10. That's the path.
In Germany, we have special bike routes. I mean, you cannot find it in India, maybe in some other countries also. But in Kiel, we have a special way called Velo Route 10. It's an independent cycle path away from roads with traffic noise and exhaust fumes. The entire route is usually 4 meters wide and completely well lit. 4 bicycle bridges over main busy roads and the autobahn, as well as 2 road crossings without the traffic lights, enable short travel time that can be achieved by car. With numerous ascents and descents, Velo Route 10 is optimally integrated into Kiel cycle network and opens up many central locations and facilities in the Kiel. Directly connected to Hasse train station at City Park, and the Friedrichshain-Schule, the Glasberg Industrial Area, Kiel Innovation and Technology Center KITS, and the University campus around Christian Albertsplatz, the university buildings in surroundings and Mausplatz, the Science Park and Holstein Stadium. It covers a lot of places in Kiel, and by using this, you can travel faster than car. Like you can reach Hasse to Holstein Stadium just in 20 minutes by a straight path. And in Kiel, currently we have 13 Velo Route. The first Kiel route, Velo Route has been went into operation in 1995, and it is very helpful for the bikers especially.
And it's called as Velo Route 10. I always feel happy when I am cycling in this street particularly. This road is only designed for the people who would be cycling. Special path for the cycling people. No cars, no bikes, nothing like that. And there is a lot of graffiti on the streets, walls. Only the things which you can see in Kiel. Those are the people who will be skating along with the cycling. So good. They've interchanged a lot of things on the street. Everything is looking damn dull. I don't like winters because of this particular scenery. But I love winters when it is snowfall. Signing off. Helgo Traveler in Northern Germany diaries.